Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards, Capricorn. So, these are for your general energies, for your career and relationship. We'll be picking one card each. So, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Capricorn. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy, so you can stay tuned for that. And this is an intuitive reading. So, at some point of time, you may get the answers for whatever questions you have in your mind. So, it will be better if you watch till the end of the reading, Capricorn. So, let's start the reading with these cards. First, for your general energies, we have Nine of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, and Queen of Wands in reverse. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work situation or maybe in your relationship, you are you are relying on someone. Maybe you feel that someone is going to help you out, or there is a person whom you can trust and they are the right one for you in your career, maybe. So you trust them with certain decisions or choices or some work, and you feel that they are doing things the right way. But today, maybe sometimes things may not happen as you have hoped for. Maybe there is a lot of confusion, doubts today. Maybe you trusted this person, but what is happening today may be something different, and they are not to be trusted. And maybe you are feeling really stuck, unable to decide something, maybe confused about something. So it may be your energy in this relationship. So lots of doubts, confusion, misunderstanding may be there. You don't know where this person will do, what they will decide or what they will plan. So some kind of misunderstanding may be there in this connection with this person. And there are people who are working against you, maybe who are thinking badly of you. Maybe they may have bad intentions. You would have trusted them, but this person is so jealous of you, envious of you for some reason, and they are not good. They may not have good intentions towards you, Capricorn. So you need to be really careful with whom you trust, with whom you speak certain things, because they may use it against you today. So you need to be careful with the people you trust. And maybe you may have a person you are in relationship with, but this person is quite jealous, or they are arguing with you, fighting with you for some reason, and they are also talking behind you. They are talking to others, maybe spreading rumors about you. So this person does not have true intentions towards you, Capricorn. That is what it looks like. So it may be your energy or this person's energy towards you guys. Maybe you are talking to people, gossiping about this person, or they are gossiping about you, spreading rumors about you, and they want you to get a bad name. We don't know for what. Maybe they may have something, they are quite jealous of you. Maybe you are successful, you are really good, and they hate you for that. Maybe for Uh, that is what I see, guys, with these cards. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We picked one card, and it is Five of Pentacles. So though you would have known this person for quite some time, there are troubles in this relationship. Things are not going as expected. So that is what we saw with the previous cards. So some kind of uncertainty where this relationship is going, where it is uh, taking you to. So some kind of an uncertainty, confusion is there in this connection. So for your career situation, we picked one card, and it is King of Pentacles in reverse. So in your career, there may be certain things against you. Maybe the way you work and the people you work with, maybe your ideas may differ, and people may not support you, or people may not be so dedicated like you. That may be the reason things are going in a difficult way in your career circumstance, Capricorn. So you need to be more attentive, careful with your choices and what you do in your work circumstances. So that is the energy here with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so we will start with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, we will see what it is. Fair brown and trembling. So with this card, the energy is that in your situation today, whenever this card comes to you, it just means that you are supposed to manifest whatever you wish for and do not accept the fate someone else is forcing upon you. You will, maybe you are shy about something, you are feeling really humiliated, and all that humiliation you have gone through in your life, all that troubles or whatever circumstances, toxic circumstances you have been through, and you were really hurt. But very soon you will find the person who will respect you for what you are, respect your characteristics, respect your uniqueness. And this person will protect you, and this person will fight for you, and they will also search for you if you are not to be found. That will be their dedication to you and to this love you both will share. And there is a good fortune coming to you, guys, for those who chose this card. And you need to value yourself and believe in yourself, because each and every one of us are unique in our own way. Maybe the strangeness or shyness, whatever it is the most valued and treasured qualities you have. You need to understand that. And all that goodness you have today, maybe the opportunities, maybe people within your own family are not kind towards you. They are quite jealous, or they are thinking of you in a bad way. They may have bad intentions towards you. And you need to understand that if you are in a good position, maybe financially, or that's what I mean. Financially, if you are in a good position, you have a lot of things people may be envious about. It is all the fruits of your own hard work, and you need not give it away to someone. You need not share it with the people who do not care for you, guys. It will never bring happiness to that person and only to you. And you need to understand that. And you are someone unique, and you need to have that trust in yourself. And you will find that true love, long lasting love, that is coming towards you, and this person will understand you and respect you for what you are, what you truthfully are, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have Pink Sapphire. So it is a crystal spirits card here, guys. So with this card, it just means that you need to heal yourself. That is the energy with this crystal spirit, the pink sapphire spirit. It just means that you need to turn inward, and you need to be concerned about yourself and not with others at this particular time. Let go of any urge you are having to think about the past, assessing what happened, what went wrong, and reliving the past. That is not going to help you in any way. You need to, you deserve to be happy, confident, and faithful. So, in order to achieve all that, you must let go of all that old stories, release the pain that is no longer serving you. So, you need to, maybe sometimes we may feel sad, we may feel like crying. We need to vent it all, vent out, go for a good cry, give up all that energy out of you, all that negative energy out of you, make way for it out of you. And you need to fill yourself up with love and acceptance that you so much deserve today. So, this crystal card just reminds you that you are what you are, all that you need to be right now. You are whole, you are someone, a beautiful spirit, and conscious universe which is loving you is telling you that you are very strong as you are, and you need not feel anything negative about you. And this crystal spirit teaches us forgiveness, guys. So when we forgive, we let go of all those toxic feelings, and we welcome love and happiness in our heart. So that is the energy here with this card. And that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.